Hi, today's episode we'll be talking about real estate agents and how they help you get a mortgage. Hi, everybody. I'm Jeff Martin, and this is the Mortgage Voice. Thanks very much for tuning in. We are today going to talk about mortgages, and we brought a real estate agent who's going to talk about how you get a real estate agent and a customer together to get a great loan from a great loan officer or a company. It's Robert Perez. And Robert, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Jeff. Thanks so much for having me on. I wanted to share with you today some of the things you need to look for when you're purchasing a home. One of those items is submitting an offer, but before you submit an offer, you need to make sure you get pre-qualified with a lender. When looking for or finding a lender, you need to make sure that's somebody that you're comfortable with. You're going to be sharing a lot of intimate details about your finances, so you want to make sure that you find the right person. Sometimes finding the right person means getting some advice from people at work, people that you admire, people at your family. At that point, you sit down with a banker or with a broker, loan officer, and they will ask you for 1 month pay stubs, 2 months bank statements, W-2 forms. Sometimes there'll be some other forms that they'll be requesting, like a 401k. If there's a spouse or a co-borrower, they'll be asking for the same details for them. Once you obtain a pre-qualification letter, then you can start shopping for a house. It sounds a lot easier than what it is. So once you find a real estate agent, again, that you are comfortable with, someone that's going to find the right house that you are looking for. You don't want to go shopping for a house that's out of your reach, or if you only need a 3-bedroom, doesn't make sense to go around looking for a 5-bedroom house. Or if you're looking for a pool, it doesn't really make sure to walk around and looking at houses that don't have a pool. So it's perfect to set up the expectations at that point. Once you find the house that you're looking for, an offer is presented, and when the offer is accepted, you need to immediately sit down with your real estate agent and with your lender and make sure that you set expectations. Expectations as far as appraisal times, times of escrow, when deposits are due, inspection reports, what to do in case repairs need to be made. There's a lot of moving pieces that have to happen, including escrow and title. What do those things mean? And you want to make sure that you find the right real estate agent that's able to explain those items to you. So again, it's a lot easier than what it sounds, but it is not painful. Finding a house and buying a house is as easy as it can possibly be, especially in today's market. There are a lot of properties out there that are still available. There are some markets that are a little bit tougher than others to find homes, but with patience, you can find it.
Thanks, Robert. Thanks very much for talking about mortgages, the relationship between your real estate agent and your loan officer. I'm Jeff Barton. And if you like what you see, please click on it, like it, ask for more videos. We certainly will oblige. Again, I'm Jeff Barton for the Mortgage Voice.